In reaction to the Swiss government's decision to impose a national ban on the constructions of new minarets in Switzerland, the religious party of Pakistan, Jamiat Ulema-Islam, held all-parties conference in Peshawar on Thursday. Senior leaders of various political parties strongly deplored the decision. They termed the ban synonymous with the attack on the civilization and culture of 1.5 billion Muslims around the world. Also, they call it violation of the European Convention on Human Rights and the UN Charter proscribing discrimination on religious grounds and freedom of religion.
It is very illogical, illegal and irrational decision of the Swiss government and all those people who are supporting them. And really the Muslim world will be very irritated against this.
Muslims believe minarets are an integral part of mosques, and the ban by the Swiss government on their construction is a denial of their worship rights. The politico-religious activists also warned of a countrywide protest if the government of Pakistan fails to raise the issue with the Swiss government in order to resolve it.
Imposing ban on any worship place, may it be a mosque or any part of mosque, is highly objectionable. It's against the human rights. It's against the right to worship. We have every right to protest against it.
Experts see the ban as an attempt to stop the propagation of Islam, which they say is the most widespread and the most growing religion in the world.
They are all those people who are stopping the way of propagating and preaching Islam. They do and they design things like this. And it is really unnatural. They are not able to stop it. How they will stop it?
The Swiss Federal Council says the ban should not be considered as rejection of Muslim communities' faith or culture. However, experts believe that this ban has created much unrest among the Muslim community, particularly in Pakistan, and may widen the gulf between religions instead of creating interfaith harmony. The recent Swiss move to ban the building of minarets in a country which is now home to some 400,000 Muslims has shocked the Muslims across Pakistan and has hurt their sentiments. They urge the Muslim leaders to take the issue at an international forum. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.